Breathe cleaner air with the MOOKA M02 Air Purifier, designed to remove dust, allergens, smoke, and odors efficiently. Its sleek, compact design and smart features ensure fresh air effortlessly in any room. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MOOKA M02 Air Purifier, HEPA filter, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Place on a flat, stable surface in your bedroom, keeping it at least 20 to 30 centimeters away from walls or furniture for optimal airflow. Open the filter panel and insert the air filter, ensuring the arrows match the airflow direction, then close the panel securely. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and select your preferred mode: auto, sleep, or turbo. You can also set a timer for automatic shutoff or activate sleep mode for quieter operation. And remember to reset the filter indicator whenever you replace the filter. Maintenance. To replace the filter, rotate the bottom cover counterclockwise and remove the old filter. Take the new filter out of its plastic packaging, place it inside the purifier, and then rotate the cover clockwise to lock it securely. The filter reset indicator will light up after approximately 2,160 hours of use. After installing the new filter, press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to reset the filter usage timer. Smart features. Effectively captures dust, pollen, smoke, and allergens. Keeps your indoor air cleaner and healthier for everyday breathing. Fits perfectly in any room without taking up much space. Adds a modern, stylish touch to your home or office. Runs silently without disturbing your work, sleep, or relaxation. Ensures effective air purification while maintaining a peaceful environment. Simply twist off the cover, swap in the new filter, and reset the timer. Keeps maintenance quick and hassle-free. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the MOOKA M02 Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MOOKA M02 Air Purifier. See you in the next one.